Okay, before I insert my new video card, I'm going to go to settings about this system, and I can see that my graphics processor is currently the onboard Intel graphics. So I'm going to power off my system, input the new card, and neither of my widescreen monitors is working, so I had to install an old VGA. So go back to about this system, and it is recognizing my new NVIDIA card. So I need to install the drivers. So I'm going to go to, on my system, it's software and updates. Click on the additional drivers tab. And I'm going to select the newest NVIDIA package that is also tested. For me, that's the top option. So I'll click that. Then apply changes. And when it's done installing the new drivers, I'm going to have to restart the system. So go ahead and do that. And now my widescreen monitors are now working. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.